my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to prepare liquid soap. This liquid soap is for your dishes at home, so you don't need to buy liquid soap again. Watch this channel, like it, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. Thank you. So these are the chemicals. The names is not included here because it's just at home. So we are going to do it locally. This is number 1. I'm going to add it according to the numbers, so it does not need formal training. So this is number 1. Then number 2 is not here. The number 2 is water. This is water. This is water. Then this number 3. Then number 4. Number 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9 is oh, this 8 is the color. Then this is the flavor, and this is number 10. That's number 10. So we are going to mix it according to the numbers with a separate bowl. As I told you, I don't have the measurement here, but as you go to the chemical shop to buy your chemicals, you have to buy the chemicals according to the liters of water that you are making your liquid soap. So like now, all this chemical is measured for 10 liters. So it is there that they will measure the chemical as you desire for your liters. So we are taking it one after the other. I'm having a separate bowl to mix it so that it will be smooth. See how smooth it is. No lump inside. Very smooth.